Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. The market is open. This is on a smaller time frame. This is a 30-second. You're seeing that the candlestick is moving really fast. You got to be an intelligent and a patient trader. We're gonna let the market come to us. Let's work it out. We got a few minutes. Usually, I don't take any trades from the bill unless it's trades like Riot, which is on fire. Is up $1.29. So I like Riot calls. $9 and $10 calls. I want to be in the money. I want to take full advantage because it already eclipses average true range of the day. So the plays that's on the board today, we got SPY 435s. I'll let you guys know when we reach the threshold to be able to get into call. We got Chase, JPM. I like the 150 calls. The bank is looking pretty good. My thing is I see how the market actually pan out here, ladies and gentlemen. We just opened. We're going to try to get in here and scalp up some bags. But like I said, Riot is on the platter. We already rallying. We up $1.24. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and get into my spot calls here. 435s. Same day expiration. Let's make some money. All right, DIA. I like 340s. I'm going to go ahead and get in my 340s for Friday. My thing is let's eat. I'm in the SPY. We in profits already, ladies and gentlemen. Let's continue the SPY. We in profit. 335s. You could do 344s if you 334s if you choose to, but 335 is pumping. Let's eat. This is a smaller time frame. We already breached the pre-market high, so we know that we completely still what bullish. All right, so the trend is there. We actually rejected day's low, and then my thing is we pushed up, so those calls are in profit, ladies and gentlemen. Give yourself a clap. Now QQQ to me, I'm gonna stretch it out a little. I like QQQ 370s, 372s, but I like to take it out to Wednesday. So 10/18, that's the date that I have. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, we got into the SPYs. We instantly got into profit. My thing is Riot from the bill. You got to be a little bit patient with that. My thing is currently is 932, so we're going to see a little imbalance in the market. We're going to see a lot of fluctuation from 9 o'clock to 9:35. And then 940, we'll be able to actually get back in and be able to trade a little bit differently because we'll see where the institution money lies. So my thing is just being patient with this, taking it one trade at a time, and then going from there. You got questions, type it in the chat. Ladies and gentlemen. Please type it in the chat. All right, so my thing is type it in the chat. So we in those SPYs, 335s. My thing is we in profit. We was able to get it off the bounce. That's why I'm trading on a smaller time frame so we can take full advantage of that. IWM, I really love it. My thing is 175 for this Friday. DIA, ladies and gentlemen, to me, I think that's going to be the best trade of the week. We actually just entered those contracts as well. So congratulations to everybody that got into the SPY. 335s, we got it in from the bell. We was there to take full advantage of that from the bill, and let's continue to keep on running that profit up. My thing is be happy with 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50%. If you want to take it to 100%, allow your runners to do that for you, because my thing is you want to be at a lock-in profit. So I'm happy to be back live with you guys. This is a smaller time frame. Bag drop. Y'all see that? We bounced. We got into the trade, and then we got a tremendous bag drop. So my thing is give yourself a round of applause. We was able to get in that trade at 9:30. So my thing is trading on a smaller time frame actually helped us, and it gave us actually getting pump faked out of this trade. This is beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. This is beautiful, and this is what I like to see. So those QQQ is time to get in those. If you didn't get in already, my thing is we pumping, right? So this is what I like to see. Getting on live, I like to see people make money. My thing is drop a world emoji in the chat if you got into a trade and you made profit. Drop a world emoji in there. My thing is this is free. I'm going to be live trading free for the rest of the week. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 9:30 and 3:45 p.m. Just to get on here and just give back to society. My thing is don't charge people. My thing is we rocking, we rolling. So my thing is the market's been open 4 minutes. We got a little bit less than 20-some seconds, and I'm going to switch it to the 2-minute time frame, and I'm going to show you guys how we actually beat the market. This is a 2-minute time frame. This is a 30-second time frame, and then this is the 5-second time frame. I don't know nobody trading that but me, but my thing is I'm trying to beat the computers. So this was easy money, ladies and gentlemen. So my thing is you should be in tremendous amount of profit. My thing is you still got runners on the table. My thing is it's okay. We hit the days high, we got a rejection, which is going to happen. That's on the 5-second. But if you switch it to the 30-second time frame, my thing is, you see we got a lot of indecision going on right now. So my thing is, at this conjunction, you should be taking some profit off the table. At this conjunction, you should be taking some profit off the table. I really love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, it's all about being patient. My thing is, drop a world emoji, drop some likes. My thing is, share the link with people. This was easy money. Get in, taking full advantage of it. My thing is, Tesla calls is ready. So 255 and 265 to the upside for Friday. My thing is, do not try to stay in the trades completely all week long, because Tesla does have earnings, and then you can put yourself at a disadvantage. So this is what it's all about, ladies and gentlemen. This is what it's all about. Brookshire doing good. Walmart, Microsoft, Chase is fluctuating, but SPY was the trade. QQQ was the trade. And then my thing is, let's go look at Square for a second. All right, Square is ready as well, ladies and gentlemen. We had got that bounce. And like I told you guys, you got to be fast, you got to be efficient, and then you got to be on top of your grind. So my thing is, let's continue to keep on making it happen every morning. So my thing is, Square is getting that rejection, and also SPY is getting that rejection on a smaller time frame. This is the 30-second. So the last 2 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, we had got a drop from the top to the day's high, which is 34.60. We're 40 cents away from being in the money. My thing is, let the market come to you. I'm thinking the 940 candlestick is going to be very, very strong, and you can take full advantage of that. So this is what it's about: trading and being efficient, trading and being patient, ladies and gentlemen. My thing is, share, drop some world emojis if you got into some trades and made some money. Chase just dropped, so my thing is, you should have took your bag on that. QQQ pulled back slightly. SPY still up in the uptrend, ladies and gentlemen. We was able to actually clip her. So that's why I say I like to trade on smaller time frames to be able to take full advantage when others are not willing to put in the work to learn how to trade on smaller time frames. I'm not talking the 1 minute, 2 minute. I'm talking about the 30 seconds, the 15 seconds, and the 5 second. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Those runners are ripping. Look at the time, 37. Those runners are ripping, ladies and gentlemen. Runners are ripping. So from the point that we got in, ladies and gentlemen, people usually want to get in. My thing is, I think we up $1.10 from there. Any question for me, put it in the chat. Any question, put it in the chat. This is going to be my last year coaching. My thing is, if you're looking to be coached, DM me. Let's make it happen. You got to the end of December. Might be teaming up with a few of my partners so we can do somewhat of a Discord, and so we can actually teach the people how to read these charts, how to understand in these companies, how to take advantage of these moves in real time. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I got a few more minutes on here with you guys. We literally got 2 minutes. We're going to see what that 940 candlestick does for us on a smaller time frame. Let's see if we can get over the threshold and break 435 so we can be in the money on those runners. Let's see. So we got the open pre-market high. Once we eclipse the pre-market high, ladies and gentlemen, that was another entry point. You could have took advantage of 60 cents from there. And then my thing is, we bounced off the day's low. And then my thing is, we got in on the 32nd. And then my thing is, the rest is history. All right, so drop a world emoji in the chat. Drop a world emoji in the chat. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Remember, we got that bounce, we got that rejection. That's the 30-second time frame. So now we can go check. The 2 minute candlestick would be what? A lot of indecision that's going on. So my thing is, they're trying to make a decision on what they want to do next. But the institutions already showed their hand on a smaller time frame. We got a rejection. But the uptrend, they want to continue to keep going to the upside, but it's pulling back a little. It's pulling back a little. So my thing is, just be patient, ladies and gentlemen. Be patient. I think that's what a lot of new traders have a hard time with. They are impatient. So my thing is, ladies and gentlemen, we made profit on SPY QQQ. My thing is, we just got to be patient. It's about to be 9:40. We got 40 seconds, and we'll see what these candlesticks actually show us, and then we can see if we can actually continue to keep on making money to the upside, or we got to switch it to the downside before I get off this live. Right? Type your questions in the chat. Ladies and gentlemen. Type your questions in the chat. Feel free to ask questions. What's up, Keith? I see you. My thing is, this was easy. What's up, Ty? This was easy work. Was able to take SPY. I've used a 30-second time frame when we got that drop this morning. I didn't want to be more patient than I always have to be, so we got in at 433.67, and then we rolled it back up, and then we got the rejection. What's up, bro? Let me see if I can add you in. All right, let's see. What's up, Cassandra? How you feeling? All right, let's see what we got, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what we got. Let's see if I can make you a co-host. All right, Ty, see if it lets you come in and see if you can be a co-host. So my thing is, ladies and gentlemen, is 9:40. So you can actually see this on a 1 minute candlestick at 9:40. We broke down. So my thing is, institutions want to push it back down. So my thing is, will we get into puts when we eclipse 43.67, our original entry point, and we'll do 43.32s to the downside. But my thing is, we don't eclipse that entry point. My thing is, we're going to stand calls, and then we're going to ride it back up. So from 9:40 to 9:43, we got a 3-minute window, and we'll see if we can actually take advantage of the market. On our 5-second time frame, we got to completely push up above my 125 EMA. There we go. Ty, let me see if it'll let you get in. All right, let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, today was just easy from the bell, man. I don't try to be greedy. I try to be patient, but we was able to make a bag really fast. So my thing is just being patient. I don't think a lot of people have the patience, ladies and gentlemen. They don't have the patience. Being patient. Let's see. Morning, Cassandra. How you feeling? So my thing is, you see that rejection? Bounce, rejection. We heading down. Like I said, we would get into puts once we eclipse 433.67, and then we do 432 to the downside. I want to make sure that the trend is completely bearish before I actually get into this trend. I want to see them actually sell off. So the 2-minute time frame is showing we got a rejection from the top. We got 1, 2, 3 counters, and my 4th counter will actually enter here at 433.67, and then we'll be able to get into push to the downside. All right, y'all see these major candlesticks on the 2-minute? She's getting to that point in that rejection. So we'll see what we can do here in the next couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of your day to 3:45. All right, 2-minute candlesticks, we got that rejection, 1, 2, 3. And my thing is, we got a lot of wickets pulling back, so it's not really that strong. On the 30-second, you can clearly see that we actually got a reversal. So my thing is, let's see if we can get back above the pre-market highs, which is around 434.10, and then we'll go from there. Any questions, ladies and gentlemen? Any questions? Riot pulled back major. Riot was a pullback major, so my whole thing is, that was probably Clap City if you got in and you didn't look at the charts. But SPX is up $23 on the day so far. SPY's up $237. So my thing is, let's see if we can actually get this last push up, or let's see if they actually push it to the downside. All right, remember 435 to the top, ladies and gentlemen. 435 to the top. And if we eclipse 433.67, 432 to the downside. Right? But on this smaller time frame, you can see that they're trying to push the market back up, but we'll see if they go. All right? Hit the like button, drop a world emoji. Let me see if I can add my buddy in. Go live together. Let's see how I can get him in. Co-host. Tesla is up and down, ladies and gentlemen. I wouldn't touch it yet. If I was you guys, let me see. Let's see if I can invite somebody. Let's see what we got. Ty, see if you can invite yourself. Let's see if you can invite yourself. What's up, hey? What's up? I love it. All right, so perfect, ladies and gentlemen. Push, fall. So currently we sitting at a double bottom. So my thing is, we got literally 2 minutes to actually make a decision, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of your day. We need to cross back above the 125-day moving average. My thing is, we need to see where the volume lies. Drop a world emoji, ladies and gentlemen. Drop a world emoji. All right, perfect. Send those likes through the roof. My thing is, if we don't break below 43.67, I do not like puts. That's my original entry point to the upside. So my thing is just being patient and being calculated. But my thing is we got into some fire setups early. QQQ pulled back. Riot pulled back completely. That means Bitcoin actually dropped. So my thing is people was taking profit. But there we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is what it looks like when you get into a trade quick and you're efficient, right? We didn't have to be in the market but less than 10 minutes. Market only been open 15 minutes, so we was able to make a bag. And now we can sit on the sideline if we choose to, right? And then we'll wait till later on till we get into some more positions. But I can clearly see on the 30-second is a battle. If I change to the smaller time frame, yes, we can see that it was a bounce. Push up, my thing is a lot of indecision going on. So my thing is we have to be very patient, right? Let's be patient and let's see where the market takes us. Drop your questions in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Drop your questions in the chat. Drop your questions in the chat. There go that push. 946. There go that push. Let's see if we can eclipse the pre-market high. Let's see if we can eclipse the pre-market high. Right, remember, ladies and gentlemen, you have to be patient with the stock market. My thing is be patient. I know trading same day expiration contracts can actually be somewhat of a heart attack, but that's why you got to get them. You got to strike them. The smaller time frame we was forming, we got back to pre-market highs and we got a rejection. So we need to eclipse that. And then let's see if we can get back to the day's high before the day over with. But my thing is we're above the 125-day moving average, which I like a little bit more than anything. I usually just trade price actions and things like that, but I want to be able to have a bona fide entry and I want to be able to have a bona fide exit. So any questions, ladies and gentlemen, any questions, feel free to ask your questions. I love it. So without any questions from you guys, I'm going to let you guys enjoy your day. Thanks for joining me for live, and I'll see you guys at 3:45 p.m. today. Peace.